grab the coat right now. Well, do you think you have what it takes to be a mixed martial arts warrior? Now's your time to shine. The new show, Warrior Island, is hosting auditions at Shattuck Mixed Martial Arts Fitness in Sykesville tomorrow afternoon. Amber Miller was up early at the fitness center this morning to take a look at what it would take to score a spot on the MMA reality series. Are you going to make it, Amber?
Oh, I'm definitely not going to make it. If you take a look at this video, I can do none of this. But as you can see, it takes heart, strength, and a whole lot of guts to be a part of this reality series. But more specifically, it takes certain skills, including boxing. Here's a quick demonstration of what you'll want to know before heading out to tomorrow's tryouts.
Today I'm here with my older brother Chris, and we're going to go over boxing. The first and most basic punch, we're going to do a 3-punch combination, would be the jab. It's done with the lead hand. The second punch would be a rear hand. He's going to turn his back foot, and he's going to bring it out. The first combination we're going to do is called the 1-2 combination. He's going to put both punches together. He's going to do a jab and then a rear hand behind it. The third punch we're going to work on is what we call lead hand hook. You're going to punch with your lead hand and turn your front foot.
Oh my combination speed. It's enhancing my
Put all
speed.
these together, we do 1, 2,
You gotta
3.
know that this is becoming a reality show, you told me. It's a special sound effect for punching technique.
And once again, tryouts are tomorrow afternoon at 1 at Shattuck Mixed Martial Arts in Sykesville. The show is currently in negotiations with HBO. Marianne?
Oh, I was looking forward to seeing you out there. Thank you, Amber. Appreciate that. Well,